Yahoo! It was a crazy ride! Woohoo! Look who's coming! The big man! Hey, you monkey! Get aside, man!
Take a minute to calm down. But I feel like if I told you I was ready right this minute, do you think that it would turn you on? I just feel like you need to know. If I told you I was ready right this minute, would you just run off and tell someone? I just feel like you need to know. I don't wanna feel like we're wasting time. Tell me, should I go and call up a taxi? We can make out for play in the backseat. Please tell me now how that all sounds. You can sleep in while I make breakfast, watch cartoons and talk about exits. And if you're happy, stick around. I just feel like this is worth the risk. I never felt it quite like this. If I told you I was taking a minute to calm down, I feel like if I told you I was ready like this minute, you think that it would turn you on? I just feel like you need to know. If I told you I was ready like this minute, would you just run off and say I just feel like you need to know. Taxi, we can make out for playing the backseat. Please tell me now how that all sounds. You can sleep in while I make breakfast, watch cartoons and talk about exits. And if you're happy, stick around. I just feel like this is worth the risk. I never felt it quite like this. Take a minute to calm down. But I feel like if I told you I was ready right this minute, you think that it would turn you on? I just feel like you need to know. If I told you I was ready right this minute, would you just run off and say I saw wrong? I just feel like you need to know. Watch cartoons and talk about exits. And if you're happy, stick around.